So if you didn't guess from the title of the video, what you're looking at here is a former Walmart, as you can kind of see by the blue banner. It's not a very big location, but I thought we'd tack it on. This probably would have been the garden area or something. Sorry, the camera shut off there. Let's try that again. You can't see anything. I tried to look through that little hole at the bottom, but you can't see anything through there, so. Yeah, it's pretty well covered up on the windows. So this is attached to a smaller mall here in Edmonton called Riverview Crossing, which you'll have already seen a video of, or will be seeing a video of shortly. Here's a look in the front door. Can't really see too much with the glare, but yeah. So I wouldn't call this abandoned, because they're still working on it, but yeah, kind of an oddball to see an old Walmart location. Like I say, it's a pretty small place. There's definitely much bigger Walmarts than this, of course. Not too much else to see. This will probably be a pretty short little video. I'll drive over there maybe and see if we can see around back at all. But yeah. It's kind of interesting how this side's just kind of sitting here with nothing going on, and then they've got all this painted all nice all the way along here to make it look pretty. But yeah, another little view of the front there. Here's a look at it from the other side, just to kind of give you an idea, I guess. And I'm probably not going to drive down here because it looks kind of narrow. I'm sure I'd fit down it just fine, but there's not a lot to see anyway, so that's pretty much all there really is. But thought I would show it to you guys anyway. So thanks for checking this out, and if I can find some pictures or something of when it was still open, I'll tack those on at the end here. So yeah, well, I'll talk to you guys again soon.